name is Kelechi George, the striker of Northern Football Club. You are watching TalkMeWorld.tv.
Broadcasting from the capital of Cambodia, the power, the station, the frequency, FM 103.7.
Let me introduce you to the Black Mamba.
Hello, I am Ken Gaddafi, the Black Mamba of Extra Jaws Fighters in the Cambodian Basketball League. You are listening to Radio 1 103.7 FM. Welcome to the Offside with Ken Gaddafi on the TalkMeWorld African Hour right here on Radio 1 103.7 FM. Army welcomes defending champions, the 2016 Medphone Sea League leaders. Ministry of National Defense Football Club, also known as the Army, will welcome defending league champions Phnom Penh Crown to the RCAF Stadium on Saturday afternoon in what is sure to be an intriguing encounter between the back-to-back champions and the league's most improved side. Crown was held by Western in their last league outing, although they rebounded with a 5-0 hammering of the very same opponents on Wednesday. Elsewhere that weekend, Army secured top spot in the standings after they narrowly defeated third-place Bonket Anchor FC 2-1. Week 5 will get underway on Wednesday when the league's bottom club, Asia Europe United FC, meets Nagawad at the Olympic Stadium. A busy Sunday pits Bonket Anchor FC with Cambodian Tiger FC, while Simak United FC attempts to build on their latest Usain Cup victory against National Police Football Club. Both games will be played at the National Olympic Stadium. Zvaria FC will make their first foray away from home this season when they travel to Western Stadium to face Western Football Club. And to preview this weekend clashes, Offside Weekend Gaddafi caught up with Gareth Hollins, and this is what he has to say on the games ahead.
I went to nearly every Army game last season, and the improvement in them is unbelievable. I'd like to think so. Like, could they be the Leicester of the Cambodia League? Crown like to pass it about. I don't think they'll be able to get away with that. They're not scored well. They scored 2, but the worst defence in the league. They're coming up against a good team here and the top scorer in the league. So I don't know, 3-1 Army for me. They've got Myung Cho up front, Chin Chun on the wing, fast, good on the ball, and arguably the best goalkeeper in the league, aren't they? So Saray, right? Is it? So, well, they've lost Bisan. He scored 20 a season. Boyson's crocked, didn't he? They've got no leaders. Like, where's Tony Oberdin? Like, he should be guiding them, but obviously he doesn't play for them anymore, and I don't see a leader for them.
Yeah, my name is Rashid Adeyanju Omokafe, the striker of Nagawad. You are watching TalkMeWorld.tv. Yep.
Subscribe to TalkMeWorld.tv.
My name is Emeka Mewo. I will be your pilot as I fly you through the TalkMeWorld African Hour, 2 to 3 p.m. from Mondays to Fridays on Radio 1 103.7. Lighten up your afternoon hours, feel at home with me as I treat you to the best of African music, entertainment gist, business updates, and a lot more. The show will feature the best of sports review and updates on our special sports segment, Offside with Ken Gaddafi. TalkMeWorld African Hour. You don't want to miss it.